Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya State Unit Kumsibanta Chongchimpan Kre Nakabanta election Kabanlong House Nam Araja Arpulai Menta Kalapan Kre Bhai ka party Dakabalasdang Manpan Klain Hapo Kachala Habai Kren Boba Ernest Mori Badi President ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit Mulai thu batat hadu menta kiladon kumba lifesan ngut ki kyrtong ki ban yikun ka election bat kidan ru ki katu ka ningut ki amali ki ba ai kitien ki bakwa bandung sa party.
This is the part of our program, and just recently we had a big meeting in Tura with our party caricators, office bearer, district president, Morsha head, Mandal president, booth level president, and we have already made a roadmap. That is, we have started our campaign, and I think you have seen we went to one place that is Mahendraganj, where on that day 700 people joined the party in Mahendraganj. So it's a good sign. We are doing hard work how to prepare for election, and we hope with all this yojana, this scheme provided by our Honorable Prime Minister, it has reached to the people and to the last person, to the poor and the poorest section of the people in our state. I think it will help us to prepare our roadmap for the coming election.
So how many candidates the party is likely to field?
Till today, we have already identified around 35 candidates. Category A, we have 15, then B, we have 10, and again C category, 10. 35 seats now we are preparing.
From this 35 seats, do we expect sitting legislators also will join your party and contest?
Yes, some of the sitting MLA also they approach us for joining, and you are aware that due to this 10 schedule, they cannot join now. And I think by the end of July, I think there will be a picture that some MLA they are going to join us.
How many?
Till today, we have in contact 2 MLA.